how to use the dishwasher. Basically, obviously open it up and put in one rack only. So in this case, we have some coffee cups. So you put them down like that. You can also put cutlery in as well, or plates. There's also a different type of rack if you want to use that too. But you can only put in one rack. Close the door. Let's go down here, flip it to on, and then you know it's working. As long as these lights are not flashing, we're all good. If they are flashing, please send an email to me, which is John Brayman, so jbrayman@gmail.com, or to Joanne. And yeah, so the temperature is going to rise here. It runs for about 4 to 5 minutes, and when it's done, you're going to hear the dishwasher stop working, and then you're going to see the temperature fall down. The wash is done, and it's below 80 now, so it's a safe time to take the stuff out. Now, if this is your last load, what you want to do is turn the machine off. Otherwise, it's going to keep running. So if this is your last load, you just turn it off. And for this, there we go. It's nice and clean. There we go. Perfect. And use some gloves too, or towels. Okay. And one last thing is get a dish towel or something, and then you can rest them on here. So that's the clean pile. And then what I like to do is to differentiate the dirty pile, which I put on this side of the sink. So the system needs a reset here because we just turned it on, and as you notice, this cycle light is not on, and the water temperature is not rising, and there's no noise, no water circulating. So we're gonna reset it. So we will open it up. We're gonna wait 10 seconds, and I have a timer going, so it's perfect. I can just let you know when it's been 10 seconds. So, okay, that's 10 seconds. So we're gonna close the door. And look at that, it just reset itself. Hear it running. Great ways to meet. Perfect. Yeah, the temperature gauge is rising. And when it's done, we're going to hear a loud beeping noise. Great. And then we'll let those dry for a bit and put them away, and we'll add the next batch.